How's it going, stoners? Today we're going to be doing another cleaning video. Today we got two pipes. So I've been doing bongs recently on this channel, but we're going to be doing a pipe clean today. So I have two pipes, just two standard pipes, which I'll show you here. They're from a friend. I'm cleaning them for free for him. Also, just so you guys can see the process of pipe cleaning. It's really no different. It's actually a lot easier to clean pipes than it is bongs because they fit in a Ziploc bag, and then you just let the ultrasonic unit do the work. I'll go ahead and show you guys a time lapse today of the color transformation inside of the ultrasonic unit so you can see that. Other than that, we're cleaning it for free for a friend. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. So here are the pipes here. I have one here, which is just another standard spoon pipe. We'll go ahead and see what it looks like when it's done, but it looks like it has white and green on it. And then the other one here is a blue one with, I guess, white in it. That one should be nice when it's all cleaned. I really like pipe cleaning because they look really nice when they're done. I mean, all pieces really do when I clean, but pipes in general, I really love the transformation process. So we're gonna go ahead and take our photos here. We'll show you the before and after, and we'll get started cleaning. Okay guys, we took the pictures and now we're going to go ahead and put them in a Ziploc bag. So I just rinsed out what was left in here from my previous cleaning, and now we're just going to go ahead and place them in here. So I was thinking of putting in two separate Ziploc bags, but I feel like I'm going to be using more solution in that case. So we're just going to put them in the same Ziploc bag. So they're right in there. So now I just got to fill them up to more or less cover both of them. So it's the same amount of solution, but I don't really want to do two Ziploc bags. So we'll go ahead and fill her up. And there you go. So now they're both submerged, and now we're going to go ahead and take you to the ultrasonic unit, which is actually preheated to 60 degrees. Okay, so the unit's preheated. She's hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Okay, and all I'm gonna do is go ahead and place the bag inside of the water. The water is gonna displace the air, in which I can try and get as much of the air as possible. And then we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a clip, which then we clip to the side of the unit, just like so. And as you can see, the color is already starting to change. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a tripod real quick and hopefully get you guys a good angle. Okay, so it took me some time to get this tripod going. The color's already changing, but we're gonna do a 5-minute cycle and we'll see where it is from there. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the timer is done. We're gonna go ahead and take our unit to the sink, but as you can see, that is what it's looking like. We're gonna give it just a little shake here just to see if we can get any of the loose pieces out of the pipe. So yeah, we'll go ahead and see you at the sink. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and pull out our contents and see what they look like. We may have to scrub it, we may not. We'll just have to see. So here is the first pipe, which was the blue one, which looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and give it a rinse. So there's a little bit of resin stuck right on the side of the pipe there, but more or less it is pretty clean. We'll be able to get that with a pipe cleaner pretty easily. We could also put it back in the bag and do another cycle to save time, but it really depends on if I want to scrub or not. But so this pipe looks pretty good. It doesn't look like there's much resin in there, or none at all actually. So you go ahead and look there. This one looks really good. So I'm gonna actually toss this in the bag, and we're gonna do a 2-minute cycle. I could probably have gotten it with a pipe cleaner, but you know, this is a friend. I'm not limited on time. It's not a client. It's not for a certain time, so might as well put it in the ultrasonic unit. So we'll see you in 2 minutes. Okay guys, so we're back. I just used a little tiny bristle here just to get any of the specks that were stuck on the inside of the other pipe, but it was very minuscule. You probably didn't even notice it, but I noticed it to my eye, so I got it off the camera. But anyways, 2 minutes in from the ultrasonic unit, and I think she looks good. I haven't even rinsed it yet, but the piece or the spot where the resin that was stuck on doesn't seem like it's stuck on anymore. So we'll go ahead and give it a rinse. And yeah, there she goes. So we'll go ahead and dry it off and take the pictures in the photo booth. Okay, now a lot of you guys probably are wondering, what do I do with the solution? And basically I strain the solution in cheesecloth and reuse it. It's a non-toxic solution, so if I just strain out the ash and you know the weed, the burnt weed and all that stuff, I can actually reuse the solution. So I actually have a video on TikTok which I'll post. Well, here's a clip of it now. In the full video, there's a part 2 to it. Basically, this is what my reused solution looks like. I've strained out all the ash from it, and this is where I'm gonna put in the cleaner that we used today. So eventually, once this container is full, then I'll strain it again, and then I'll probably maybe put it in a YouTube video. But if you guys wanna see the video on that, it's on my TikTok. And yeah, we'll go ahead and put the solution in here so we can strain it and use it another time. Okay, so here's the solution that we used for the pipes. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it inside of our little cat litter container. That's a little hard to say there. Don't know if you saw any of that, but either way, that's what we do with the solution. And then once the container's full, we strain it, we put it back inside of our container. So other than that, we're gonna go ahead and take the pictures now. Where's my lid? Here it is. And we'll see you in the photo booth. Okay, and there you have it. 2 nice sparkling pipes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take these pictures, but as you can see, they look basically brand new again. You can actually see the beautiful design on the pipe now. Same for the other one. So 2 slightly different designs here. This one is a lot easier to clean. Possibly because it has, you know, maybe more holes, bigger holes, who knows, but either way, they were pretty easy to clean in general. So that's how pipe cleaning works here at the Bong Cleaners. If you guys want to get your pipe cleaned, you can go to thebongcleaners.ca. So we took our pictures and now we can just put inside of our case. So fits 2 pipes really nicely, more or less spoon shaped. And that's it. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you found the video maybe cool, maybe interesting, maybe even satisfying. Because I do love watching a piece go from dirty to clean. That's kind of why I started the business here. But if you guys haven't already, check out our website, thebongcleaners.ca, and also our other social medias, which will be down here. And yeah, if you're here local in Ottawa, make sure to check us out. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next one. Later.